One night in December of 1985, I turned to my wife and said, "I'm going to start a business." She looked me in the eye and said, "Are you out of your mind?" She may have had a point. We had a 2-year-old with another one on the way in a few weeks. I was recovering from a broken vertebrae in my back, and we had just spent our life savings on building an addition to our home. I told her there'd always be a reason not to start. Too old, too young, too busy, too broke. She eventually relented and said, "Go for it." I spent the next few months getting ready and lining up customers. 22 years later, I stepped away from that business with a collection of life experiences. Some very good, some not so good. But I gained business and life experiences that I would not trade for the world. Where you are today is the result of the collection of decisions you've made up to this point. And like you, my experiences have brought me to this point in my journey. And I am thrilled to be here. Are you thinking of starting a business, but worried it might not be the right time? Starting a business is not always an all or nothing proposition. If you are considering it, keep one foot on the dock and another foot in the boat. Start with a part-time side hustle to test your ideas. It has never been easier to do. If it doesn't work out, you can always get back on the dock. Running your own business can be very rewarding, but it comes with risk. Do what you can to mitigate those risks and then start where you are. Your action item and mission, should you decide to accept it, and if you're considering and determined that starting a business is for you. 1. Take as much time as you need or can to work out all the details, of which there can be many. 2. Simplify. There's a lot to do. Keep it simple. 3. Try to pre-sell your product or service. Those first customers can be your most loyal. After that, get in that boat and start rowing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. By commenting, we help each other who are in similar situations to be more successful in our businesses and personal lives. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thanks for watching this. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.